How to clear Clipboard on Samsung. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to clear Clipboard on Samsung. To do this, you wanna first of all make sure to open up any of the Clipboard, and after which you just need to go to the inbox section just for the sake of this video. And here what you could do is you could just go ahead and tap on the search bar, and then here you have a clipboard, right? You could click that out and you have all these sections. So what you could do is long press onto it and then click on the delete button in order to specify the delete, or in order to delete it just one. You could also click on this pencil shape icon and then go ahead and select, you could go ahead and select all the clipboards just like that and click on delete, and this is how you'll be able to clear Clipboard on Samsung. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.